What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another YouTube video. If you're new here, smash your like button. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. In today's video, I am gonna be talking about an emergency school kit. Now, Faye told me about this. It's been going all over social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and of course, she wanted to make one. Okay, so I went to Five and Below, and we're gonna get into the items that I got from Five and Below. So I already took them out the bag. The first item was this glam bag she wanted. So this is gonna be the bag that she's gonna put her items in. I thought it was really cute. She's like a pretty girl. She like pink and purple and all that stuff. I think it's really cute. I like the little gold trimmings, and it has a lot of room in it. So she could put all of her emergency things in here. And it also came with this comb inside, which was really cute. So this was like $5, y'all. $5. Five Below got it going on. All right, so next item was this hand sanitizer here. So you gotta make sure your hands are clean. Going to classroom. Faith is only in elementary school, but of course you still have to keep your hands clean because we all know the school has a lot of germs. So hand sanitizer is great to have. Next up is these little tissues for runny noses and all that great stuff. It's great to have some tissue. This was a 4-pack, okay? And I believe this is Disney Princess, so I got her these. Next up, I got this cute little mirror comb. You know, we gotta keep my hair done. So it comes like this, and then it has like a mirror inside. Look how cute is that? So y'all know I had to copy, and I had to get one too, because I'm gonna put mine in my big bag, okay? So look how cute this was. This is at Five Below as well. Nice and compact, and you also had this mirror to comb your hair. So you get a 2-in-1, baby. You can't go wrong with that. Next item I got her was some wet ones, just in case you know you want to wipe your hands after you eat lunch. Wash your hands while you're in class. Antibacterial hand wipes, and it has like a fresh scent, okay? Next up, I got some little deodorant. You know, we gotta stay clean and fresh, okay? So this was like a little mini deodorant. This is Sweet Outlast Sweet and Odor, okay? So, you know, we want to smell nice and clean all through the day, honey. Next stop is the TikTok. So I got some Tic Tacs. I said TikTok. Next stop is the Tic Tacs. We gotta keep our breath smelling clean, smelling fresh. You know, you all in your girlfriend's faces, and you want to smell nice and fresh. Talking to people, you don't want your breath to stink. So it's good to have those, right? Next up, Band-Aids. Great to have some Band-Aids. You never know when you get a bruise, you in the playground and you bust your lip, bust your leg, bleeding all over the place. You got your own little kit right here. Your own Band-Aids. Okay? Next up, Jergens Healing Lotion. Now, we don't be wanting to look ashy all day in school. So it's great to have some Ultra Healing Lotion. Keep them elbows clean, them knees clean, keep your face moisturized. You gotta have that lotion, right? Next up, hair ties. Now, you know all day y'all hair could get all messy, especially the children in school, so we gotta have these hair ties. Gotta have these hair ties, and they come with 12 ponytail holders, okay? How cute is that? Next up, we got to have some lip balm to keep our lips moisturized, period. So this is Vanilla Balm Lip Balm. We gotta have this, okay? Next up is the Tide to Go. Now, this one all over TikTok. All I'm seeing is girls pull this out their bag. So if you eating lunch and you get a stain, you know, you just spray this on your clothes, wipe it down a little bit, blot it a little bit. Honey, this is gonna keep you looking fresh to death. So it's good to have this Tide to Go in your emergency kit bag, okay? It's good to have this type to go in your emergency kit bag. You never know when you're gonna drop a stain eating ketchup, chicken nuggets, and all that stuff in the lunchroom. Just wipe and go, baby. Wipe and go. Next up, we gotta have some perfume, okay? Good to have some perfume. This is the Touchland, and you know we gotta keep the Touchland in our bag to smell fresh, to smell clean, and to smell yummy. Okay, so this is good to have in your bag as well. All right. Also, this is Strawberry Fist hand sanitizer, and Five and Below had this as well, honey. So this is really, really nice to have. I believe these are like $5, okay? Cheaper than Touchland, okay? So I will be back to get me some of these to jump in my bag, okay? Because we want to smell fresh. Fresh and clean. All right. So I think we covered it all. So I'm gonna put everything back in this bag. Let me know if y'all made y'all kids an emergency kit to go back to school. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. So y'all think I did a good job with her emergency kit? Do y'all think I missed something? Let us sister know in the comments what y'all think about her emergency kit. On that note, comment, like, and subscribe. I love y'all so much. I'll see y'all in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Clack it.
Clack.